George Mugoye Mbeya. I come from Alego Kaluo, Komolo sub-location, North Alego location, Siaya County. Johera nama Siaya, anyalo wacho ni ubed gi geno kuom jatelo maru, jatich maru manyicha udwa yiero, mane uwuok nudhi yiero tarik 13 to unwang'o ka nyinge onge ballot. Akwayo nubed gi geno ni pod antie kendo ayikra mar tiyonu ka Siaya. Wageno ni party biro miwa thuolo ma mondo uyier jatelo muhero kendo mugeno mondo obi otinu, nikech ung'eyo gima udwaro to useneno kuom jotelo mantie gima ok gisetimonu. An gi geno ni ka Nyasaye omiwa thuolo, the party pod biro miu nafas ma mondo uyier jatich mane usebedo gi geno, mane usechiwre nudhi yiero mondo obi otinu. Koro bedu gi kwe, bedu gi geno, nabiro tiyo mana kaka ne useyikore, kaka ne Nyasaye ochano ni abiro wuok oko mondo atini Siaya. My leadership actually comes from the people. Perhaps you are not aware that I was the only person in Nyanza province. When I talk about Nyanza, I'm talking about the old provinces that went out as an individual and as a leader to solicit votes for Raila Amolo Odinga. All indications are clear that Raila Amolo Odinga is going to be the 5th president of this republic. And in my small way, I wanted to make a contribution because even the presidential vote is won by the numbers. And I took it upon myself now to educate our youth, more so Siaya youth, on the need and the importance to have 1 identification card and number 2 to have a voter's card. So during that exercise is when there's a call that I need to run, because none of the leaders in Siaya County was doing what I was doing. And the elected leaders then were all the time asking, what is it that he wants? Because there is no servant leadership among our elected leaders. The functions of a governor are contained in our constitution, and they are well spelled out. So what our people have been lacking is a manager to implement those functions, because they are default functions like health, water, agriculture, infrastructure also halfway. Our education system for most Siaya people is terrible. Most of the children from underprivileged homes or not well-to-do homes are not going to school because of lack of school fees. My number 1 priority on the table will be to ensure that these kids are identified, they are marked out. I believe there are not many. And the county will take up those responsibilities by providing full bursaries to those children. Number 2 is agriculture. Siaya people are hungry, and it is a shame that at this time and age, most of our people cannot still put a meal on the table. You need to aid our people by providing them with fertilizers, providing them with seeds. Most of our farms, or the farms that our communities live around, they don't have large farms. You'll find it's only one farm that has been tilled over the years. So the soil nutrients are gone. So, and our people keep on tilling the same land, planting maize or millet every time or every season of the year. And this is now where the county government needs to come in by providing farm subsidies like fertilizer and seedlings. Health. Our health system is sicker than the way people say are sick, because the only thing you can get from our health institution is a prescription, and you are being asked to go and buy from a well-known chemist. How is it that the person prescribing to you the medicine or the drug knows where it's supposed to be found? It means somebody is taking drugs or medicine from the institution and supplying to his or her pharmacy or chemist, wherever it is. I will make our health facilities working. Because even if a dispensary within a particular sub-county, it should be made to work. There are community health workers. All community health workers that are available need to be made permanent and pensionable. You will see even what is happening in other counties. They have built real level 5 hospitals. Our Siaya one is a shame. And Siaya is known for the best minds. Where are those minds? Where can those best minds make to apply or make use of within Siaya? And one of my agenda is make Siaya for Josiah. Siaya is known for the best minds in the world, not only in Kenya, and I believe you know that. As a professional, I'll invite my fellow professionals to come and also work in Siaya. Bring those brilliant ideas to Siaya so that we can improve and develop Siaya as a team or as Josiah. So what we lack is leadership, which I'm willing to provide, because there is no leadership in Siaya. As Baba is reuniting Kenyans, me, I want to reunite Josiah people so that they can work together as a team. There's a ginnery in our local market. That ginnery has not worked for the last 30 or 4 years. It's only worked during my early childhood. I'll first of all ensure those ginneries are revived. Encourage Siaya people to grow cotton. There is no fish processing plant near the lake. The first one you'll get it in Thika. I'll set up a fish processing plant or cold storage plant within Siaya County. Tomatoes are doing very well in our county, those sides of Sakwa. Set up a tomato paste factory in Siaya. Same thing to also our women. Under the SMEs funding, there's money for women. There's money for people with disabilities who have been also omitted out. The population for people with disabilities here is about 2 million. But these are a group that has not been catered for. But they're there. You know, our society sometimes shun them. Many of them are being locked indoors. But I've been able to reach out to them. And they are willing to come out. And they equally vote. They have voters' cards. But what they are lacking is somebody who appreciates them. Some of them are able to go out and also do businesses, fund their businesses. So opportunities are abound, but what we lack is somebody who can, show our youth the direction, show our people what needs to be done. And that person is none other than George. Our people need, or the people of Kenya needs to be given a chance to elect leaders of their choice. This idea of imposing leaders on the people is what is making the people lack faith in the government. Even though it is part of the laws of those parties. Yeah, it has been made law in the constitution of those parties. So it's not wrong, but it's wrong in the aspect of denying the people a chance to elect their people. Like in our case, I wake up one morning, people woke up to one morning to go, morning of 13th, to go and vote. Many people went back when they found I was not on the ballot. Many people who heard that I was not on the ballot didn't go out to vote. If you look at the people who turned out to vote on the 13th, it is very low, compared even only to the party's registered members only. It's very low. And that is because people are developing a feeling that again the party is going to impose a candidate on them. So Siaya people are not a happy lot. Even as we speak, I'm not aware what is going to happen to Siaya people, whether we are going back to nominations or will be put on the table to discuss between me and my only opponent, because now we are only two who would be issued the direct ticket. Whether we are going to form a team, the two of us, only God knows. But that idea of direct ticket is what is stifling the democracy.